And welcome back, everybody. This is, of course, your guy Light here, and today we're going to be reviewing yet another SoFi platform. This one is called FanTech. It is available on this brand new EVM-based blockchain known as Mantle. Now, the FanTech app is obviously available on mobile devices, but you can also install it on your Chrome browser, although the layout is specifically designed for mobile experience, but maybe in the future they are going to be doing a proper desktop version for this application, which is something that I would highly prefer, by the way, as a desktop user. Now, in case you're looking to keep up with the latest SoFi craze, I did an article not too long ago which goes into explaining and showing all the SoFi platforms that currently exist, and also I have provided some codes there, and I maybe have to update this article with a couple of new entries as well, but I'm gonna be keeping up with all the newest entries also in this article, so in case you don't want to be out of the loop, definitely go check that out. So let's go back into FanTech, and this is, by the way, not sponsored endorsement or anything, but I'm going to be saying out of the all ones that I have used so far, this is the best one. Not only they have a very, very good layout and interface, there are some really, really cool things that they are doing tokenomics-wise, which we are going to be exploring, obviously, in this video. And in terms of the features. So every share is a lifetime access. So first of all, there is public feed, and then there is a private feed. So for example, our FanTech, which was the very first one to start this craze, they only have a private feed. So the good thing about a public feed is, having a little bit of a tweeting platform, is that you can basically fish out potential new investors joining your group and, hey, this is what I gotta offer in my group, and etc. And there's seems to be some type of public activity going on, and okay, this group is active, there's messages here, and etc. There's some type of a grasp that you have outside from the financial transactions that there is activity on the platform. So I like that there's a public way, and then there's also a private chat for people who basically buy your shares. And there's a lot of incentives, and we're going to be going into this auction system, which is they're one of the things that they are very special in the sense that nobody else has this system. The auction system is a really, really good way for you to make money, and you basically, even smaller creators, maybe have 100 followers on Twitter, you are going to be going through the auction system, and it's almost likely that everybody that joins into this platform are going to be making some amount of money. There's people bidding on your shares. And basically, well, this goes back into the bidding we just talked about, and the shares generation event is truly, very, very interesting. And I made actually a lot of money out of it, and well, I think I made the most amount of money out of all of these SoFi platforms I have made with FanTech so far. It has been the best in terms of activity and also just general attraction. And also there are people that are generally a lot more active on FanTech that I've witnessed on Stars Arena and etc. Feels like those are a lot more botted experiences. I don't know if there are specifically a lot of bots in FanTech, but fundamentally I think it's just the experience seems a lot more lively. And then there's obviously their own token, which they are going to be, launching. I mean, all of these platforms are kind of doing that. So even if you don't have a massive following, you can still participate on this airdrop. And currently we are on quarter 3 of 2023. So there's obviously the MVP release, which means the minimum viable product. So this is not even the final version, and it feels like a lot more finished version compared to basically any other player on this space. I mean, I gotta give a hand to also the new Bitcoin City. They also have a product that's pretty finished. And so in terms of finished products, this seems to be one of the more well done, and the base functionalities, everything is there. And full mainnet launch on Mantle in quarter 4, full UX core feature launch, partnerships, those have been already done, and fundraising is going to be happening. I don't know, is that going to be only for VCs? That's a negative if it's only for VCs. Is there going to be some other ways to basically participate on that sale? Remains to be seen. Live streaming and in-app payments, that sounds pretty good. Call marketing and PR, and in quarter 1 in the next year, team expansion, full integrations, pre-launch for a financial round. So we are going to be seeing in quarter 1, so latest by I guess on April, we are going to be seeing, or is it March? Latest by March, we are going to be seeing the launch of the token. So you are early, guys. This project launched on September, sorry. And there's a lot of like different things here. Mainstream marketing, blah, blah, blah. And I think we have gone through all the basic stuff here on this site. There's FAQs. But let's go into the application now. So here I have the application opened up. And I think this is probably where we should start, the initial share generation event. So what you're here, actually this is probably gone already. So basically, let's take this one. So people are bidding on this profile right now. So what this means basically is that anytime a new user comes into the platform, there is going to be a bidding process happening on the account. So the initial shares are basically created. I think there's going to be like 5 people basically joining in. For example, I believe I had 8 mental being bidded for my account. I believe so. And there's going to be a lot of new accounts like every time basically launching. And there's some like bigger platforms like Jordi Alexander, 44 hours starting. So this guy has not joined in, but there are a lot of people like waiting to basically get started. So this is like a really, really good system to kind of kickstart your profile going in to this platform. And this is also like good because it's not like bots sniping in and participating on big Twitter accounts. Anybody can see these new people who come in and have opportunity to basically bid in early. That's like really, really good. So because I think bots are making the platforms very unfair. Here are some people that are in here, like Levi is basically on everywhere. Is there anybody else that I know from this list? Not very familiar. I mean, I don't really follow that many like NFT, DeFi people on, on Twitter. And then there's like traders tabs, and there's like a good idea like who are the people doing all types of things. So there's a lot of data here which I like, and this is the data. These are the points. These are what are going to be accumulated on the airdrop. One of the things, if the devs are watching, maybe add the ranking of yourself in the list so I can see where I'm at currently. So let's go into back in, and here's the trending tab. You can go into, let's see, like mental journal. Let's see what this would be. The buy share. Okay, a bit too out of our so let's go into my profile here. Okay, so here I see, for example, people, my own posts. I make a couple of here, not too big anything. I'm getting started because I just only got yesterday the actual platform running, and currently the share price is at 5.9 mental. I'm not gonna be, maybe on the screen I will have the valuation. It should not be too high in case you want to support me. And it's not like there's going to be like some super deep hidden alpha like being shared, but it's going to have some opportunities. And here I also see the activities on, what is happening. This is not all the feeds, by the way, because this actually, these are my bids. Okay, these are my activities. So here I can see the trade. So actually a lot of people have already traded on my profile, and I only joined 5 days ago. So what I'm saying is that there's a lot of activity here. This is more than I had on any other platform. This is a lot of activity, okay? And I've been on like 2 weeks at least on like some of the other platforms. So that's good. There's also chat that you can join in. There's a lot of good things in. There's a translator here. You can post images, articles. Let's try actually posting out a video. How does that look like? Let me actually get one of my current videos here and see if it actually shows up. But fundamentally, this is like a really, really good chat. Some of the other chats also like kind of have how do you say it? Like they don't necessarily like work. Okay, even videos work on this thing, so that's really, really good, guys. Then there's the feeds, inbox. I think you can like send like DM messages here. You can even subscribe to people. Like I'm being subscribed to Amplio, but I haven't bought share, so I can see his activities as well on here. So that's very good. So a lot of data here, and here is the balance. So I made 16.7 Mental. Let me open up that coin market cap here so we can actually see how much this is. But okay, it's the mental has taken a bit of a hit, but it's like still like a couple of bucks. It's like $5 or something. So that's a pretty good, because I'm not like super. It's $6. So it's not like I'm a millionaire or anything, but I still have like a holding value also here. So another $5. And you can withdraw obviously. So as in customary to the other platforms, these are like external keys, as in they're not like, you don't have really a security risk here unless your Twitter is hacked. There seem to be also like symbiosis cross-chain swap. So I guess we can, if you have Ethereum somewhere, you can just directly get it into Mantle. So that's actually like a pretty good functionality here. Oh yeah, I had to click Esc. And lastly, obviously, we have to talk about the referral system. And here you can actually see like this good breakdown of like trading volume, fees earned, how many subscribers I have, sub value right now, holders value. So a lot of different things. And here on the top corner, you can find your points. And I have 24 points. And obviously there's different epochs, so they're broken down into. So what are the things you can get points on? 303s. So if you guys are starting a new account and you have like a low value valuation for your profile, I'm happy to do 303 with you. Okay, I'm happy to do. And you can leave a comment down below. You can have winning bids that will have you. Every trade will have you. Daily balance that is maintained on the account. I'm not suggesting putting all your mental on the account. I don't recommend it. Risks always exist. Keep them in your own separate wallet that is not connected to FanTech. 500 trading volume, new holding, new holder, every new invitee, every new subscriber, daily new post, daily check-in, daily 20 messages in your fandom, daily messages in your 5 different fandoms. So a lot of even activity, people posting on your fandom is going to be contributing your points. So that's actually pretty cool. And then there's obviously the referral program. So far, I haven't gotten a lot of people invited yet. What I like about it is that there's unlimited amount of invite codes. And the invite codes can be found on, let's see, invite friends. So here we have, and you get 10 points per each invite. This is in terms of, let me actually open up the, yeah. So one of the negatives here is that you're not getting any like percentage share of the trading volume that of the people you invited here. You are just going to be getting points for inviting people. That's the only negative I would say about this invite system. I kind of like when the others are giving a flat percentage of, you know, the fees. I really like that. That's a better incentive for me. But then again, like if you get the people to trade on your own profile on the platform, that's also going to be really, really good for you. I don't have much else to add here in terms of like, I think we have gone through everything regarding FanTech. And I do want to say that the platform does look a lot better on mobile. As you said, this is, as I have said, this is kind of like a stretched out version here on my desktop. So this is kind of like more what it looks like. And, you know, even you can find people on like Twitter who are not joined in. But that's pretty much my rundown of FanTech. In case you want to, there's a couple of other SoFi videos that I've done. I'm also going to be linking those into the screen right now. And I will be probably doing some individual reviews out of other platforms as well. But yeah, support me. I'm going to leave all the invite links down below in the description, and link to my website and my Twitter, obviously. So I will be seeing you guys next time on the next video. Thanks for watching. See you soon.